Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this moment of peace and reflection. I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit or lie down where you can relax and be present. Close your eyes gently and let's embark on this journey together to connect with the divine essence within us all. Begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and the warmth as you breathe out. With each breath, allow yourself to release any tension or stress you might be holding on to. Breathe in calm and breathe out all worries. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, imagine a soft golden light surrounding you. This light is warm and comforting, like the first rays of the morning sun. It envelops you in a cocoon of safety and love. This light is the presence of the divine, the source of all love and wisdom. It flows through you, connecting you to the infinite potential within. As you bask in this light, feel its gentle warmth spreading from the top of your head down to your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your abdomen, and all the way to your legs and feet. Every part of your being is touched by this healing light. Take a moment now to focus on your heart. Imagine this golden light gathering at the center of your chest, illuminating your heart space. Feel its gentle, loving energy filling your heart, and with each beat, this light pulses through your entire body, bringing peace and harmony. As you continue to focus on your heart, allow any feelings of doubt, fear, or negativity to dissolve in this divine light. Let go of any burdens you may be carrying. You are safe, you are loved, you are a part of this divine light. Now visualize yourself in a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a serene beach, a quiet forest, a mountaintop, or even a sacred place from your memories. Imagine every detail vividly, the colors, the sounds, the scents. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can always connect with your inner self and the divine. In this peaceful place, take a moment to reflect on your true essence. Know that within you lies immense potential and divine wisdom. You are a unique expression of the divine, with a purpose and a path that is yours alone. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for this connection, for the light that guides you, and for the love that surrounds you. Feel gratitude for your own unique journey, for the lessons learned, and for the growth that continues each day. Now, as we prepare to return to our present moment, take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the golden light gently fading, knowing that it is always within you, ready to be called upon whenever you need it. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body gently, and open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and divine connection with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Remember, you are never alone. The divine light is always with you, guiding you and loving you. May peace and joy be with you now and always.